Welcome back to our channel app tutorial everybody. This video is on Instagram and it's on how you guys can stop people from sharing your Instagram post on their story. So let's say you posted something on your story and people started sharing it and you don't want people to share your story, alright? So you can do that by turning on some certain settings which I'm going to be showing you guys. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. Let's move on. First step, after you open your Instagram, click on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're on your profile, what you want to do is click on the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen and choose where it says story. Now once you're on your story section, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the setting icon, alright? So you want to click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to show you these options, but from over here only choose on story. The first option is going to take you to the story section. Over here scroll all the way down and you can see the sharing option, and if you turn on allow sharing to messages and share your story to Facebook, then basically what happens is whenever you upload a story, people can share it on their messages, or your story is going to be shared on your Facebook. But if you don't want it to be shared anywhere, then what you can do is turn these two settings off. Once you turn these two settings off, nobody can share your story on any messages or on their post, alright? So yeah, but only the people you tagged on the story can. So if you tag someone on story, even if you turn the setting on, they can still share it on their story, alright? But if you make something, or if you post something on the story without tagging anybody, nobody will be able to share it anymore now. So yeah, that's how you guys can stop people from sharing your Instagram post on their story. So yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.